Hey guys, so today I'm doing a little glam look. I already finished my brows. If you want to see how I did that, you can check out my last video. So first I'm going to do a nice layer of concealer on my eyes like I always do. As a nice base so the eyeshadow has something to stick to. I'm going to come in with my crease brush and use this magenta color and just blend that out around my crease. I'm going to add this hot pink next because it blends really nicely into the magenta and it helps bring the color more out towards my eyebrows. Now I'm going to use this lighter pink just to blend up. Come behind that with a little bit of orange. And then top off my brows with yellow. And just blend all of that together. And then I'm going to start with my cut crease. I'm not doing a wide cut crease this time. I'm trying to do like a bit of a narrow one because I'm going to have it come all the way out and match the same wing as my eyeliner. So I'm going to use this gold color from this ColourPop palette I just got and just put that on my lid. Spread that around and fill up the spots. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. eyeliner. I like doing my eyeliner this way because it really is easier to like get the wing when you see that your eyeshadow kind of has the wing too. And then I'm going to use this detailing brush and some white eyeliner just to put a little detail on top of my crease. Give it a nice little halo. And then blend that in with a little bit more eyeshadow. Now I'm going to just pop on some lashes. And there we go. So now I got both of my eyes done. Looking nice. I think this is like a great look for like date night, going out with your friends. So now I'm just going to do my foundation. Use the Total Control foundation and some primer. I'm using two different colors this time just to help kind of match it more to my skin tone. Like I'm going to use the lighter one underneath my eyes instead of the usual concealer I use. I'm just trying something new, a different method. I kind of like how this one feels. Now I'm just going to put some setting powder on there just to really suck up any remaining oil and then do my basic contour. If you guys want to see how I did that, you can check out my last videos. And then just blend everything together and pop on some highlighter. Add a little bit to my nose so I can get that full glow going. And then finally, set everything with setting spray. And there we go. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.